Your shoelaces are about to become the most fascinating thing you've ever seen. It turns out that shoelaces are more than just a simple piece of string that keeps your shoes tied. In fact, they hold a secret that has been hiding in plain sight for centuries. The intricate patterns and knots that we see in shoelaces are not just aesthetically pleasing, but they also hold the key to understanding a fundamental principle of mathematics. This principle is called the Fibonacci sequence, and it's a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. It starts with 0 and 1, and then continues with 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. This sequence appears in many natural patterns, including the arrangement of leaves on a stem, the branching of trees, and the flow of rivers. But it's not just limited to nature. The Fibonacci sequence also appears in the design of many man-made structures, including architecture and art. So, let's take a closer look at the intricate patterns and knots in shoelaces and see if we can uncover the secrets of the Fibonacci sequence. The first thing to notice is that the knots in shoelaces are not just random arrangements of threads. They follow a specific pattern, with each knot being a combination of two or more previous knots. This pattern is similar to the Fibonacci sequence, 61,803,398,875.
But that's not the strangest part. The pattern of knots in shoelaces also appears to be a representation of the golden ratio, which is an irrational number approximately equal to 1.61803398875.
Constant that, but that's not the appears in many natural patterns, the S to be of a representation knots of in golden ratio. Shoelaces also appears to be a representation of the golden ratio, and it's also a key element in the design of many man-made structures. So, why do shoelaces contain this hidden pattern of numbers and geometry? One possible explanation is that shoelaces are a reflection of the way our brains process information. You see, when we look at a knot in a shoelace, our brain automatically tries to identify a pattern, and this pattern is often based on the Fibonacci sequence. This is because our brains are wired to recognize patterns, and the Fibonacci sequence is one of the most common patterns that we encounter in nature and art. But that's not the only explanation. Another possibility is that the pattern of knots in shoelaces is a form of hidden communication. You see, when we tie a knot in a shoelace, we're not just creating a random arrangement of threads, we're also creating a message that can be decoded by others. This message can be a simple pattern of knots, or it can be a complex code that requires a specific key to decipher. The possibilities are endless, and the hidden means that we have a new patterns in appreciation for the intricatesse. Shoelaces are just the patterns and beginning of a knots in shoelaces, fascinating journey into the world of mathematics and cryptography. So what does this mean for us? Well, and the hidden means that we have a new patterns in appreciation for the intricatesse. Shoelaces are just the patterns and beginning of a knots in shoelaces. It also means that we have a new tool for understanding the world around us, a tool that is based on the fundamental principles of mathematics. And it means that we have a new challenge, to uncover the secrets of the hidden patterns in shoelaces and to use them to create something new and innovative. So, what do you think? Are you ready to take on this challenge and to explore the fascinating world of mathematical patterns in shoelaces? If you're interested in learning more about the Fibonacci sequence and its applications in nature and art, then be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments about this video, then please leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and to continue the conversation about the fascinating world of mathematical patterns in shoelaces. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and don't forget to like and comment below. We're always looking for new ideas and topics to explore, so be sure to suggest them in the comments section below. And if you're interested in learning more about the world of mathematics and cryptography, then be sure to check out our other videos on this topic. We have a wide range of videos on this subject, from the basics of cryptography to advanced topics like quantum computing. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join the conversation about the fascinating world of mathematical patterns in shoelaces. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.